If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Sage 50 installs several preset reports that let you analyze information within your company file. The preset reports are grouped into preset report categories you can open from the Select a Report or Form window. To view a preset report in Sage 50 Accounting, click the Reports and Forms command in the menu bar. The preset report categories appear within the second section of the drop-down menu. Clicking any of these categories opens the Select a Report or Form window and shows the reports and forms for that category. Click the Reports tab in the upper left corner of the window to view the category's reports if needed. The preset report categories also appear in the list at the left side of the Select a Report or Form window. The category you selected to open this window is the initially selected report category. The reports within the selected preset report category appear in a listing showing each report's name and its description at the right side of the window. To preview a preset report, select the report to preview from the list at the right side of the window, and then click the Display button in the toolbar at the top of the window to preview the report data in a report preview window. To print the data after changing any report settings and verifying it shows the data you want to print, click the Print button within the preview window. Alternatively, to skip the report preview process, click the Print button directly in the toolbar at the top of the Select a Report or Form window. Remember to click the Subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.